Vikas, I hand over to you.
Yeah. Hi, everybody. We will be doing two quizzes. The first is a master quiz for which we have already shared the link, and Mayank is going to put the link in the chat box also. The quiz for the masters is open till today evening, and the top three winners get copies of the book More Miles and Smiles. That has been the first publication from Railway Enthusiast Society. So go on the link and it opens up in a Google form. You can submit your answers. Just remember that you have to participate in it by 5 p.m. today. And we will be announcing the winners and the correct answers tomorrow.
Vikas, sorry for butting in, but I just wanted to announce that we have hit a century. Currently, 105 participants are on board.
That's very good. And for everybody who has joined in today, we also have on the spot quiz. Now, all these questions have been put together by Ajay Banerjee, who has been, a quiz master at most of the rail forums and IRFCA forums. Now, the way we will work on this quiz is I'm going to ask the question, and the first person who gives the correct answer wins. Now, the person who gives the top three, who give most correct answers at the end of the day will be declared winners. Now, three winners will get an honorary membership to the Rail Enthusiast Society. So I just shared the first question. Now, after each session, I'm going to share one question. So the first question, I'm just going to share. Okay. So this is the first question, and you can start typing in your answer in the chat box, and I'm going to look at the answer.
Trick question. The answers are flying in. Vikas, are you spotting one yet?
Yeah. So Dheeraj has given the right answer. It is Jodhpur Railway. So congratulations, Dheeraj. You gave the first correct answer. And now, Mayank, we move on to the next session.
No, Vikas, wait, there's an error.
Yeah.
There is an error, Prakash.
Before Dheeraj, Mr. P.S. Mathur.
Yeah. Prakash S. Mathur. Sorry. Yes. Prakash S. Mathur. Sorry.
Prakhar is there.
Mr. Prakhar Mathur has given the correct answer first.
Yeah.
He's the first one to have given the correct answer.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, correct.
So it allows everyone to see exactly what's happening.
Yeah. I could not see the chat for some time, for some strange reason. So that was the reason for this confusion. So we move on to the next session now, man.
Do you want to talk to them a little more about the quiz for masters? Otherwise, we can move on. We can certainly move on to the next session. There's no problem.
Okay, so I'll just tell everybody. Okay, so for everybody who has joined in,
I'll share a screen if it's okay, Vikas.
Yeah. Please.
Masters. Okay, one second. Let me just put up that particular screen, and hopefully here we are.
Yeah. So this quiz for the masters has 18 questions. And it's going to be fun when you look at the questions. And they have been created by Ajay Banerjee. You have till 5 p.m. today to submit the answers. Top three people win honorary membership to the society and a copy of the first publication of RES, More Miles, More Smiles. So I hope more and more people participate in the quiz, and also do share it with your friends. It's good fun when you look at the questions. though most of them are centered around Indian Railways, but in any case, it will be good fun to attempt the question. So we really look forward to all participants here participating in the quiz.
I would like
Yeah.
to come in here because
Yeah.
it is not correct to say that Most Smiles was the first publication of the Rail
Thank you very
Enthusiast
much, sir.
Society. When it was brought out, the Rail Enthusiast Society did not exist.
Exactly.
Only the people who brought it out are those who are the founding members of the Rail Enthusiast Society.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
True. Absolutely. In fact, to a spoiler alert, the first publication of the RES is what we propose to share with you during the book launch tomorrow. And the gentleman in the blue t-shirt over there, Vikas Singh, is the author of that book. So Vikas, you are going to have the honor of being the first published author of RES. More Smiles, of course, is the publication that brought the group together, and in many ways we treat it as the effort that is the mother idea to the formation of the society itself. Around a little over 5 years ago, no, almost 6 years ago.
So I think now we can move on to Samit's presentation.
No, so we won't do that. Vikas, what we have promised everyone is that we are going to start on the hour, every hour IST, and on the half hour, every hour GMT.
Okay.
So, so we are still 5 minutes away. And before we do that, let me use these 5 minutes to quickly refresh. I noticed that when I first flashed this presentation, the number of people on board at that time were fewer.
Yeah.
We are now over the 100 audience mark, and I think it's only fair that we kind of run them quickly through what we have.
Yeah.
The conference, of course, is a 2-day conference. You already know that. We have fresh sessions every hour on the hour. If you're looking at IST times, and every hour, every half hour on the hour if you're looking at GMT times. The quiz is something Vikas has already spoken to you about. There's a lot more coming up today. Samit, the creator of a fantastic piece coming up next. Paul Whittle, Ian Newman, Raghunandan, Dr. Kosi, Ragini ma'am. So a whole host of speakers today, and an equally exciting lineup for tomorrow. In case you're finding all of this very hard to digest, all you need to do actually is go to our website, www.railenthusiastindia.org.in, negotiate to the activities and events section, and you will find there the tab which will allow you to download the 20-page event brochure. It introduces you to the speakers, the talks that they're going to give. It even gives you a very fair idea of the sequence of speakers. So in the rare event that you're not able to give your entire 2 days to this conference, you could actually move in and join at a time of your liking, because in any global conference, the challenge becomes time schedules, which become difficult sometimes to handle. One little reminder for everybody who's speaking. At this point in time, I realize a lot of us have our mics on and also have our cameras on. But once the session begins, once Vikas and Samit actually start the third session of the day, I will make a request that for all the members of the audience, we please mute our devices. We kill our videos because that protects bandwidth. Questions are going to be very natural. So can I request that all questions and comments are posted in the chat. One last thing, there's been conversation about how could you access these talks later? Well, confession time, we are actually a fledgling organization. Our intention is to launch our YouTube channel, but we are going to take this content, which we are currently recording, edit it, and then put it up on a YouTube channel. And the easiest way for you to find out more about it is, of course, to visit our website, railenthusiastindia.org.in. Vikas, we are now precisely 2 minutes away from your session, and allow me, before I hand over to Vikas, to briefly introduce to you Vikas Singh, a very, very unusual man. Vikas is a man of many, many hobbies who takes his hobbies very, very seriously. Vikas often likes to be remembered by the 3 T's: His three big loves are tea, Tintin, and trains. It is the trains avatar in which you see Vikas here today. But just a piece of information which is interesting to know is his depth of knowledge on Tintin and teas is perhaps as vast as is his knowledge about trains. Not to mention his love for Agatha Christie's, but we'll have occasion to meet Vikas on other occasions as well. Vikas, handing over to you this session. You are still 1 minute away from the half-hour GMT mark and the 1 hour IST mark. Handing over the session to you now, Vikas. Thank you.